Hello everyone. Today we talk about Mac OS Finder. It's like a Windows manager here on the Mac OS, uh, and um, and I'll show you some tricks to help you get more from this app. Let's start by using some shortcuts. For example, Command N. It opens a new Finder window. Uh, if I want to create a folder, I'll go here to my test directory. This XXX, nothing nasty, nothing offensive here. It's just my my bin folder. Let's say it like that. So I will create here a new with the command Shift and N. Here we go. New folder. So created a new folder. If I want to open a new tab, I press Command and T. Okay, now I have two tabs here, my the same Finder window. What else can I show you? Um, to duplicate selected files. Let's try to do this. Yeah, so Command D, it duplicates or copy pastes with only one command. You It's like a copy and paste, but but with the same, with only one um, combination of keys. So Command D. Yeah, this is useful. Um, if I want to delete a file or a directory, I can use Command and delete, 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 or backspace. When I open a new Finder window, I see I have my default folder is always recent. I can change this by going here to Finder settings and new Finder windows show, and I change this. So if I go here, I want to show my home directory. I close this. Now if I open a new one, okay, now it opens on my um, my home directory, not in recent. So every time from now on, every time I open a new Finder window, it will open my home directory. Okay, this is nice. I can customize here this menu, this top menu on Finder window. We can do here, right click here and customize toolbar. I can add some elements, just dragging and dropping. For example, this get info, I put it there. Done. Now if I want to know something about this file, I'll type info. Of course, there are many options there, as you have seen before. You can choose from edit tags, from preview, airdrop. Every of these are available to in the customizing, are customizable, so you can add it to here. If you want to to eliminate this from here, you have to go again to customize toolbar, drag and drop it here, and it's dust. So back to the original format of my toolbar. We could also just drag and drop the default set into the toolbar here, and it would get it back to the default configuration. Another thing that could be useful is to create here, for example, some shortcuts for some application you want. For example, you want a shortcut in your toolbar for App Store. You just press Command and then drag and drop it in your toolbar. So now you can reach this app, open this app, just clicking here. Again, command and drag it, and it does so back to our original toolbar. If we have several finders, finder windows open, um, we can um, we can merge all these finder windows on the same window. So you go here to window and no, not window, it's window and it's window and merge all windows, and it will merge all your windows inside the same finder. uh, so they are separated by tabs. So and then you can separate it again to new finder windows or dedicated windows for each of your folders. An easy way to know the path for any of these folders or files or apps is if you have here a path bar. So to have it, you go here, view, and show path bar. Could be again with a shortcut, option, command, and P. And now you have here a full path for your file, or in this case, it's an app, and you can navigate using this this bar also. Um, yeah, this is nice. And to hide it, again, we go here and hide path bar, or again, use that shortcut option, command P. Another useful bar is the status bar. Again, to see that status bar, to show it, you have to go here to view and show status bar. In this case, this is the shortcut, okay, and you'll get from here two important informations. Number one is the number of files and directories in your current folder, and the other is the space available in your selected disk. So this is quite useful, this status bar. Okay, some more useful settings. You go here to Finder, settings. So in general, okay, this one we have already seen. This you can change also if you want to show these items in your desktop. This is by default for hard disk. For my internal hard disk, it is disabled, but is enabled whenever I connect an external disk or a CD, DVD, or iPods. It will show here in your desktop an icon. This is tags. I'll do a video for just talking about these tags and how to use it. You can tag your files in folders. This is your sidebar customization. You can change what appears in your sidebar, add whatever you want. Um, and in the advanced, we can also check this one so we can see the the file name extensions uh, in our folders. For example, in this case, .app, you can see here that a .app appears in every icons here, in every items. So if you select not to have the extension or the file type, it will not show. Okay, I think we talk about some of the most useful tips and tricks here for Finder. Um, Let me know if you use any specific one that you find very, very useful and I didn't talk about it here. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope it was useful. Bye.